A leaking pipe at home is an emergency that needs a quick and easy solution. We will now see how to repair a metallic leaking pipe. First, dry the parts to be sealed, including the threads. Remove the protective disc and plastic lining from the putty bar and cut off the required amount of putty that will form the seal around the threads. Knead it in your hands until a uniform colour is produced. Tightly apply a ring of putty around the leaking joint, ensuring there are no gaps. Leave overnight for full strength to be attained before using the pipe.